Okay, so we are live now, right?
Thank you.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मेरे साथ मेरे स्टूडियो में आई हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट, मिस्टर मुनव्वर लगारी फ्रॉम वॉशिंगटन, यूएसए, also known as Sufi Lagadi. You are executive director of Sindhi Foundation. You are a human rights activist. You are interested in making American policymakers aware of Sindh and Sindhi culture and its people. You are also the main representative of the Anand Ashram Foundation, United Nations. You have testified before the United Nations Human Rights Council in 2006 and 7 in Geneva, Switzerland, for the torture of victims. You have been interviewed by Washington Times, BBC, Voice of America, Times of India, ANI, etc., etc. You serve as Sindhi expert to policymakers in Washington, D.C. You are also the author of 2 books on your exile and human rights work in native language Sindhi. Anything else, Dada, I have forgotten to mention?
I think that's a good enough.
Okay. So, Dada, what response do you get when you fight for Sindhi cause? Basically, you have dedicated your life for Sindhi cause.
Well, I got a very good response in Washington, D.C. in
Okay.
last couple of decades,
Okay.
especially in the U.S. Congress. And imagine that never before a Sindhi voice in the U.S. Congress, but now we have a Congressional Sindh Caucus. We have 13 members in the U.S. Congress, and the impact of our advocacy you can see in Pakistan, in U.S. Consulate Karachi, Sindh. The website of the Karachi Consulate is in the Sindhi language. That's our
Okay.
great achievement. Even the Sindh government, they don't have the website in the Sindhi language, but the Karachi Consulate has the website in the Sindhi language.
Wonderful.
Yes, and we also raised the issue of the forced conversion of the Sindhi Hindu girls. It was very disturbing to me, and also the
Dada,
influence.
I was about to ask you the situation in Sindh, the freedom struggle, all about that. Please tell us.
Well, the freedom struggle in Sindh is taking very high position nowadays.
Okay.
And even the Pakistani People's Party leader, the chairman of Pakistan People's Party, Bilawal Bhutto, yesterday, even he is kind of the mentioned before that the Sindh is colony of Punjab.
Okay.
And also he mentioned that if the continue this kind of the things suppressing the Sindhi people, then possible he will say the raise the issue of the Sindhu Desh slogan.
So basically, in the favor of freedom of Sindh.
Freedom of Sindh. And recently also the Pakistani government, they actually nominate the 3 Sindhi organization and as a they ban declare them, means that they are illegal
Yeah,
or
the blacklisted.
blacklisted. Yes,
Okay.
which is very also a disturbing. And the so we will raise these kind of issues in the United Nations and with the U.S. Congress. And in the on the ground also the situation is not good in the sense because Pakistan and Sindh cannot go together. It's
The reason?
the reason is because Pakistan was found foundational wrong. Sindh is 5,000-year-old civilization. Is a civilization, not only a country. Has a history. It's a culture. And Pakistan was founded by the British with the UPCP and Punjab for Punjab and interest. So it is not for the Sindhi people. And you can see in 1947, our Sindhi Hindus, they left to India, and the Jewish people left to Israel, and the Christians also. Nowadays, the Sindhi Hindus majority, the Hindus majority in Pakistan is in the Sindh, but it still continue the suppressing by the Pakistani government, Pakistani intelligence agencies. And
Sir,
they
2 days ago, I had a guest in my show, Sri Asaram Alam Chandani. He's also from Sindh.
yes.
I'm sure you know him. And he was
uh,
telling me that everything is normal there. There's nothing like torture or any suppression, everything.
no, I understand him why he is saying these things, because if he said that
He
there is
has
a
to live there. He has to live
they
there.
can't he has to live there, and there are many Sindhi Hindus, they don't have the choice. You know, they have only three choices. Either they get to be converted to be a Muslim,
Hmm.
or they get to be leave to India or other parts of the world, or the third choice, get to ready to be die. There's no other option for the Sindhi Hindus, and also
My or
not only Sindhi Hindus, but also now the problem for the Sindhi Sufis and Muslims, and for them too.
Okay, my organization, Indus Sindhi organization, was the first one in India to raise the issue of Namrata Chandani. Can you
Mhm.
put some light on it? What was the exact case? Was
Yes,
that a murder?
yes, that is really very very sad. And I also did the one very special program on the Namrata Chandani and on the forced conversion during the General Assembly time in New York. uh, and many people put it that way, that this was the between her and one boy, which is actually a tactics by the Pakistani military and the Islamic extremist and the people who convert to the Hindus. And no doubt there are means we are all human beings. If there's any affairs or anything, and
Yeah,
our Sindhi people are very broad minded, and even many
definitely.
people, it's not like that. But this was how come the one is doctor and a student and standing in there, and if there is any that kind of bring in the media, bring in the court, nothing. And even I can give you the another example. If okay, if Namar Chandani's case is they are talking about, even the Sindhi Hindus sometimes they are talk about that this was the boy and girls kind of the
There
affairs.
was another case of Sacho Satram ashram that was also attacked during that time.
Not only that, yes, and the Professor Lalwani,
Yeah, yeah, not yeah,
Notan Lal,
yeah.
is still in the jail and in the
Oh,
blasphemy laws, and we don't know what is his condition. His family is
hmm.
worried. We are raising his issues at all the level, even in the United Nations, in the
So,
Congress.
so basically, situation is grave there.
It's very grave there. It's
And
not.
what response do you get from Indian government? Any support from Indian
No,
government?
no, the Indian government, I only congratulate to our good friend, and he is really first time I heard in the US, I mean, in the Indian parliament or in the masses, Mr.
Shankar
Shankar
Lalwani.
Lalwani. And he
Okay.
was the first person who actually took the oath in the Sindhi language. Not only
Yeah.
that, he raising the voice for the Sindhi people, and we expect from him more, that he can
Yeah.
even raise the enforced disappearances, another very disturbing issue. So he should raise the enforced disappearance issues in parliament too. But my
So
biggest concern,
you discuss with him quite
I
often.
discuss, yes, I discussed with him. I told him, and
Okay.
he promised that he will, as soon as the situation will, this corona is over, then he will be raised this
Yeah.
issue in the Indian
Okay. Okay.
parliament too.
Fine. Fine. We in India, especially my organization, Indus Sindhi organization, is with your cause. It supports your cause, and we are always ready to raise the voice
Please
whenever
do.
needed.
We don't
Yeah.
have the other media support much on the ground, because there is no freedom of expression. In the recent
Mm.
reports about the press related things, the Pakistan is worst, and
Yeah.
especially for us it's very difficult to raise this issue. But the social media is the good tool we can utilize.
That is what we are doing right now.
Wonderful.
And any threat to your life?
Well, I have a big, of course, threat my on my side. I think I will talk about generally other my comrades and friends, but also they killed my brother and my nephew, and my family is main people is already died. And of course I can't go back, and I'm raising issues over here, and so difficult for me to it's a very challenging situation. So I think it's a very disturbing, of course, and the recent issues of the Baloch and Sindhis kind of getting the threats from the Pakistani government and intelligence agencies. But of course, I'm in America, and I'm American citizen. I can be safe here, and so yeah, the main thing is to get to engage different countries on our issues.
So
To
basically, you and your family have paid a very high price for this
Yes,
cause.
yes,
Okay. Okay, there time to shift the discussion to the current issue, which is Corona, COVID-19.
yes.
How do you see the impact of Corona COVID-19 on India, world, and Sindhi community?
Well, I think I will give you a little bit facts and first off the figures that
Hmm.
in the world 4.34 million actually cases happen all over the world, and 1.55 million cases actually kind of the recovered or the in the currently in that situation. 200 more than means 297K or thousands people are died, and in the India is 74,000 cases
Affected. Yeah.
affected,
Hmm.
and 47 490 is kind of the recover, but only death is 2,415
Yeah. As of now.
as up to now.
Hmm.
And in US is 1.42 million cases is actually tested and positive, and 244,000 cases is still in the recover, but 84,000 cases is actually people are died, is more than in Vietnam War or in the World War
In US alone, you are
in
saying.
US only, in the US
Oh,
only. And in
okay.
China is because these countries are very important. In China 82,929 cases happen and 78,000 recover, and only they said that 4,633 deaths happen. But in Pakistan 35,000, half of the India is cases happen, and 800 8,812 cases actually, and only 761 death. But now is maybe will be going to be double and double. There was lockdown or not much tested, and in Washington D.C. around 6,389 cases happen, and 881 is recovered, and 300 around 350 are uh, death is happened here. So this is the actually death and cases situation. But overall, in India or in the world or in the Sindh, the impact is
Not just Sindh, but Sindhis worldwide.
yes, and the Sindh is worldwide. The
Hmm.
I would definitely discuss, but is Sindh is also part of the world. So overall,
Definitely.
the impact on the human beings is this is I would say that um, religiously, politically, economically, and environmentally, and also the psychologically is a great impact on all over the world. And of course, like if you look at the environmental point of view, uh, there are 77,000 people are actually not died. This is the facts I'm sharing with you, what I read
Okay.
recently,
Okay.
because of the environmental climate impact of the clean weather is happened. But the because of the pollution and also reduce of the nitrogen gases and carbon dioxide gases is reduced. So no travelings, planes, and no, and also there's not much of facts figures comes out about the road accident.
Hmm.
A lot of road accidents have happened. So this is and if the religious point of view, if you look at that impact of the religion point of view in Sindh, uh, from the two sides, the people who came from the Iran, they call Zairine,
Hmm.
actually when they arrive in Sindh, and that was the start of the coronavirus was happened, and
Okay.
Tabligh Jamaat, and the second was
Tablighi
the
Jamaat.
Tablighi Jamaat.
Tablighi Jamaat is playing an important role in India also
Oh
in
yes,
terms of increasing
they
the number of corona
terrible.
cases.
Yes, this is terrible, and the I would say that this coronavirus is going to be creating a great impact on the religiously. Now you
Okay.
can see the no Jummah prayer or Hajj or Umrah or the Tarawees in this Ramzan time period, and
Yeah.
this is going to be create a big impact on the people will think about it. So I think if there is anything these people are now looking towards to the science.
Hmm.
Science is the only solution of this kind of the people will think about logically and scientifically, and
But Dada, even science doesn't have a solution to this problem as of now. Is looking for it.
Yes, because the two things, two only options is possible. If you look at the when the Spanish virus, they call it Spanish flu or virus, when happened in 1919, in 1918, that time was not vaccine came out too. Quite later on, the happened. So this virus is going to be continuously because of the mother nature. A lot of people are talking about that this was happened through the laboratories or this and that. That's all. I don't believe it, but because of the mother nature, this is 400 virus of the only this corona families. SARS is separate, and that, but mostly is no doubt is started from the China. So
You call it a man-made virus?
uh, well, it's a germs, it's really whatever you give the names, but it is because they eat a lot of the
Bat and everything,
yeah, bat
crocodile
and
and
everything, crocodiles on those all things, and that's naturally they can be happen. And the laboratories tested why and vaccine. So either medicine or vaccine will come. Of course, this will be comes out from these through the science, not the religious things or
side
other
effects of science.
side
Side
effects.
effects
Yes,
of science.
yes. And I also believe on the nature, like a nature, the nature balance itself, and the also I believe in stars too. So for the human beings, maybe these kind of the stars situation is not good all over the world, but now people not respecting the nature. Now I think people will realize we
Now
have.
they realize nature is the boss.
Yes, nature is the boss. Mother nature is very important, and we have to respect it. Water, trees, and why we kill animals really is not good
Definitely.
things. And so I would say that's it's a really great impact, and definitely on economy. People, why we need weapons? We don't need weapons. If we need now you can see the more important thing for us is the food, and if we and time to the family, and if the good food and good organic food and anything, and if we respect, people can think about it. And thanks God that is also why we are communicating each other, because of science, this
Because of science. Definitely.
social media, if we are communicating. And otherwise, I think people will die more than what was happening in 1919 or 1918. Million people died and affected. So this is a great opportunity that people have to realize, can think about it, and I'm sure they will think about it. But of course, another impact is major impact of the suicide rate, mental diseases, isolation, and
Stress, depression.
yeah, depressions, stress. And once these things will be over, I think the major, the people will politically awareness will come out, and maybe the more the protest and things, and politically uh, changes will happen definitely. That
Okay.
is
Sir,
that
my prime minister, India's prime minister rather,
yes.
he chose lockdown as the
Mhm.
best solution to the problem. Whereas your Trump was against lockdown. Who do you see is the right path?
I think India take very you cannot America has a definitely a infrastructure system, but this leadership is really not good decision. He took the decision very everyday changes, every day his decision, and he took decision very
You're
late.
talking about Trump. You're
I
talking
talk
about
about
Trump.
Trump. But
Okay.
in the world, I think the New Zealand Prime Minister, she did a very good job. And also in India, Prime Minister Modi, because billions people, and especially living in the family and together. But the way Prime Minister India, the handle it is really praisable. It's very commendable. The thing, the way he tackled it.
Okay. You mean to say he's on the right path?
He's on the right path, definitely.
Okay.
It's very
Okay. Your
challenging. Yes.
yeah. Your suggestions to the government worldwide.
My suggestion to the government worldwide is
Hmm.
this, because they haven't think about the planning. If there is any second wave come out, for example, any virus, there's no planning. People don't know. Like even our election is coming, but we don't know how will be
End
what
of this year? End of this year?
Yes, November.
November,
The
December.
yes, November. The election will happen. So you can think about that. There's people think about the mainly on the war in things or other things, but especially if the second wave of the virus can happen, what will be the or if it is continue 5 months, 6 months, there's no planning in the
When do you see
world.
the situation improving? Your anticipation?
I think until vaccine comes is a very, we can't say anything. The good thing, because when 1990 happened, that was no United Nations, but now is at least United Nations, World Health Organization, and more than 193 countries, the leadership. There is no discussion about the things, what is the planning if second wave come, if anything has happened next, what will be the common people can take the steps. So I think the world leadership must get organized and think about what will be the collectively response to this kind of the issue. Still, that is their politics going on between China and America. They're blaming each other on the germs war or the laboratories. These things has happened, and trying to sue each other. The America is suing to him, and this is really kind of this kind of the issue is a general issue. So as a human should sit down and think about what is our. If the Einstein were today, I think he will be think about that. What is the best solution of this kind of thing? It's affecting to everyone, right?
Right. Okay, Dada, your message to the Sindhis worldwide, entire Sindhi community.
Well, my message to the entire Sindhi community, because
You can give this message in Sindhi also if you want.
इहो तमामु सुठो जो तव्हां चयो, छाकाणि त हिकिड़ी ॻाल्हि तव्हांखे मां ॿुधायां साईं, त हींअर सिंध में रिसेंटली जॾहिं इहो कोरोना जे करे उन मां तव्हां अंदाज़ो करियो त सिंध में जेको गवर्नर, उहो चए थो त मूंखे आउं ॿाहिराड़ियुनि में वियसि ऐं उतां ई मूंखे सिंधियुनि मां इहो वायरस लॻो. सचे रेसिस्ट स्टेटमेंट, केॾी हिकिड़ी जेका ॾुख जी ॻाल्हि आहे. ऐं उहे अणपढ़ियल आहिनि, मीन्स अनएजुकेटेड आहिनि. हाणे असीं सभु सिंधी जेके आहिनि से अनएजुकेटेड थियनि, हिकिड़ो गवर्नर साहब जेको आहे सो एजुकेटेड थी वियो. पोइ असां हुन ते वॾी कैंपेन हलाईसीं सोशल मीडिया ते. पोइ हुन इहो चयो त मूंखां वधीक केरु सिंधी कोन्हे. पोइ वरी विदिन नाइट, ओवर नाइट, हिकिड़ी राति में हुन पंहिंजो बयानु चेंज कयो ऐं चयईं त मां सिंधी आहियां. अंडर प्रेशर. छाकाणि त तव्हां ॾिसो, सिंध हिकिड़ी अॼु सॼी दुनिया में, इवन तव्हां CNN ते जेको अॼु मेडिकल रिपोर्ट संजय गुप्ता इज सिंधी. हुनजी मदर जेका आहे सा ठारूशा मां हुई, पाण खणी ॿाहिरि पैदा थियो, पर बेसिकली इज़ ए सिंधी. त सिंधी त असांखे हींअर जेके बि सिंधी आहिनि, पढ़ियल लिखियल मतिलबु या छा, जेके बि सिंधी आहिनि हर क़िस्म जा, ऐं दुनिया में ऐं सिंध में, उन्हनि खे यूनाइट थियणो पवंदो, पाण में गॾिजी. अॼु जेकॾहिं तव्हांखे हिकिड़ी ॿी बि ॻाल्हि, हिकिड़ी त मूं तव्हांखे गवर्नर जी ॻाल्हि ॿुधाई, ॿी उते सैलानी हिकिड़ी पंहिंजो ट्रस्ट NGO, उन्हनि सिंधी हिंदुनि खे राशन ॾियण खां, क्रिश्चियन खे राशन ॾियण खां, माना डिस्क्रिमिनेशन.
Yeah, I read this news in the newspaper.
Yes, अमेरिकन इवन वॾे इदारे बि उन ते स्टेटमेंट ॾिनी. तव्हां इमेजिन कयो. हाणे इहे इश्यूज़ प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी खे खणणु खपनि, या सिंधियुनि खे इन लाइ चवणु खपे, आवाज़ उथारणु खपे पाण में गॾिजी. ऐं सिंधियुनि खे पाण में ॿधी करणु खपे. सिंधियुनि खे पाण में गॾिजी सिंधी में ॿोली में उन्हनि जी रेस्पेक्ट करणु खपे, पाण में हिकु थियणु खपे. ऐं स्पेशली सिंध में इलाही हिकिड़ी गुरबत, हूं त सिंध तमामु रिच आहे, तमामु रिच आहे, एॾा रिसोर्स आहिनि, हर शइ आहे असां वटि. पर हिन वक़्तु असां जेके ॿाहिरि सिंधी आहिनि, जिते बि आहिनि, हिंदुस्तान में आहिनि, डायस्पोरा में आहिनि, सिंगापुर में, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, उन्हनि खे सिंधियुनि खे मदद करणु खपे ऐं उन जे लाइ आवाज़ उथारणु खपे. मसलन प्रोफेसर नोतन लाल आहे, या जेके हाणे इहा बि तव्हांखे मां, हींअर फोर्स कन्वर्जन कोन पियो थिए, पर उहे हींअर प्लानिंग कंदा हूंदा त जीअं कोरोना ख़तम थींदो, यू नेवर नो। त इन जे लाइ असांखे हिन वक़्तु ई तयारु रहणु खपे त जंहिं वक़्तु इहा शइ अचे त असीं पाण में सभु यूनाइट थी उनखे फेस करियूं, उनखे कंडेम करियूं। त मेन इम्पोर्टेंट शइ आहे यूनिटी करणु खपे जेको आहे।
United we stand, divided we fall.
Exactly. बिल्कुलु इहो जेको आहे सो
I can assure you the Indian Sindhis are with you in your fight and they
so
will do
nice.
whatever is. Yeah.
That will be great, Sai. That will be great.
Okay, Dada, what are you doing during this lockdown period?
Well, I'm writing a book. I'm writing a book. I'm writing two books actually. One book is on it's called the Sufi wisdom. Every day in the morning when I wake up,
I was actually about to ask you, why is Munawwar Lagari known as Sufi Lagari?
Well, जॾहिं मां हिते आयुसि अमेरिका में, मुनवर लगारी केरे सम्झ ई न पियो त मुनवर लगारी नालो प्रोनाउंस कनि त पर मूंखां वरी पुछनि त व्हाट इज योर रिलीजन, आर यू मुस्लिम, मूं चयो नो, आर यू हिंदू, मूं चयो नो, आई एम ए सूफी। त व्हाट इज सूफी? सो आई वाज वर्किंग एट मां वर्क पे कयो, कम पे कंदोसि हिकिड़े स्टोर ते, त पोइ हू मूंखे चवनि त ओ सूफी सूफी सूफी, दैट जस्ट हैपेंड and I enjoyed and I happy. So that's why the people start calling Sufi.
Okay.
So Sufi.
Wonderful. Okay. Anything else, Jara, you want to share with us, with my audience?
Well, I think jetro bhi Sindh ai Sindhi boli ai Sindh jo word ai Sindhiyat je lai Sindhi asanja jeke bahar ahin uhe kuch kare sagan tha, unhen ke karan khape। ai Sindh hiyar त ॾुखी आहे, सिंध माना ग़ुलाम आहे हींअर, पर उनजी आज़ादी जे लाइ, उनजे हक़नि जे लाइ उन्हनि खे आवाज़ उथारणु खपे।
I'm sure this interview will make a difference. People will watch it and think about it. And Dada, your interview was done under initiative from Indus Sindhi organization, my association. I hope you like the concept of this interviews.
I want to say again thank you to you and also my good friend Dr. Peter Dalwani. He's really very good. He's doing great job. I have seen his all photos. Even he was cooking for the poor people with pan pe wo mehnat kare, cook kare unke khane.
Actually, I also saw one of your photo with Sri Lal Krishna Advani. How was the experience meeting him?
Well, I met him a couple of times. One time I actually met him. I asked him to raise the issue on a human rights basis in the parliament. He didn't raise it, but then he spoke in some other community places. And one time I came when his wife actually dehant kare wayi hui, to main unhan je condolences lai aayo was. A good experience. We respect him. He's a great leader. He's a
great leader.
He's a great leader. Yeah. We are very happy that we have people like him.
Okay. Ara, thank you very much for taking time out. And I'm sorry for the delay because of bad weather in Delhi.
So nice of you. So nice. I want to thank you again. I enjoyed it.
Thank you, Dada. Thank you, Dada. Jai Jhulelal.
Jai Jhulelal.
Okay.
Okay.